हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे डार्लिंगटन एम्पलीफायर की। सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज द डार्लिंगटन एम्पलीफायर? हेयर यू कैन सी द pictorial diagram of Darlington amplifier. Basically it is a common drain amplifier, and you can also say that it is a common collector amplifier. And here the transistor first and transistor 2 are interconnected. The emitter of transistor is just connected to the base of next transistor. So basically these two transistors are interconnected, and here this is the input resistance of the Darlington pair. So basically what is Darlington amplifier? So Darlington amplifier simply a buffer circuit, means a amplifier which have very high current gains. So basically the current gain means output current upon input current. So basically it is also called as a super beta transistor, and you know that beta is the current gain. But if the in the case of voltage gain, it is equal to 1, means it contains unity voltage gain. Okay, now suppose if you would like to calculate the input resistance for the transistor Q2. So what will be the procedure? So here you have to just calculate the HIE, and what is the HIE refers to? It is the input impedance of the transistor, and beta is the current gain, and RE is the emitter resistance. So HIE plus 1 plus beta RE is the input resistance of second transistor. So in this way, if suppose that HIE is very much less than 1 plus beta RE, then in that case the input impedance for the second transistor is 1 plus beta RE. Here RE is the emitter resistance. Just watch it. Now suppose here question asks, what about Ri1, means input resistance of first transistor. So in same way we can also calculate input resistance of first transistor, HIE plus 1 plus beta Re1. Here beta is the current gain of common emitter amplifier. Now just put the value of Re1, and if you put the value of Re1 you can get 1 plus HFE square plus Re. Here HFE can also express as a beta, so it is also called beta square Re for the calculating the input resistance. Now if you if you if you like to ask me about the other aspects of Darlington amplifier, then there is a new concept developed, that is Darlington pair. So Darlington pair is same as the Darlington amplifier, but just little bit different is that it is an interconnection of two transistors, same in the case of Darlington amplifier. And here we are talking about the current propagation in the system. Here suppose that IC is the net current that is traveling in the system. First IC is going through this branch, and second IC is going through this branch. So this branch, this is beta 2 and this is beta 1. So in that branch the current is IC1, means beta 1 into IB, and in this branch the current is beta 2 into IB into 1 plus beta 1, that is IC2. So basically this is the Darlington pair, and it is also used as an amplifier if it has a large beta, means Darlington pair को हम एम्पलीफायर की तरह काम करवा सकते हैं अगर इसके पास बीटा की वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा कंटेंट रखता हो तो।